Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So, the Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission has issued this notification for the recruitment of assistant district attorney, and this is on contractual basis. And the number of seats is 25, out of which 6 is for the unreserved category, and the remaining are for the reserved categories. These are the categories you can have a look at here. And the closing date of application is 21/12/2021, and for the fee is 21st of December 2021. Now let's quickly see what are the eligibility criteria. So this is how they have expanded the category wise number of posts and the pay scale, and this is the pay scale. So what do you need for this? You need a professional degree in law of recognized university or its equivalent. So you need to have a law degree and at least 2 years experience as an advocate. Okay. And the desirable qualification is knowledge of custom, manners and dialects of HP. The age limit is 18 years to 35 years. Again, I wonder what are the criteria. They say you need to have a 2 year experience after doing law, and then the minimum age is 18 years. I wonder who has completed law and has a 2 years experience at the bar at the age of 18. Anyways, so this is the relaxation, and the age of the candidate shall be reckoned as on 1/1/2021. These are the conditions, other conditions which will decide the reservations, and so they have provided the detailed provision how you have to apply. The fees for the general category candidates is 400 rupees, and female candidates shall be exempted from examination fee in accordance with the instructions of the government of HP. So female candidates do not need to pay any fee. Okay, that's a good thing. Now the mode of payment here, and let's quickly see the examination process. So there will be two stages only. First is the screening preliminary exam, and then the personality test, that is the interview. So it's a two-stage process. Okay, minimum number of marks that is required to pass the exam is descriptive टेस्ट के लिए 25%, जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए 20%, sorry 25% for the general category and 20% for the reserved category students. Now keep that in mind that the preliminary test will be a descriptive test. Okay, now we'll quickly see what is the syllabus for this. So there will be a screening test of 3 hours duration of conventional type question paper covering the syllabus of criminal law and civil law of degree level. So you need to cover up criminal and civil law. ADA में आपके जो भी subjects cover होते हैं वो सारे आपके रहेंगे, ठीक है. Like APO is for criminal only, but ADA has to deal with civil cases as well, right? So this is the notification. For detailed notification you can visit their website and check out the notification and read it, and if you find it suitable then do apply for it. And if you are a girl, I would suggest you to apply for it because there is no fee, examination fee. And नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी की बात करें तो हिमाचल प्रदेश में बी इट जुडिशरी और एनी अदर एग्जामिनेशन, नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज हमेशा लो रहती हैं, तो उसके लिए कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता है. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू फिल दिस since we do not have anything else right now. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any other query, please feel free to ask, and thank you for watching.